Alright, perfect. Can we do that again? Because I missed the jogging. Everything works there.
Good, more?
That's good. Can we index it again a couple more times? Is there any way we crank the spindle up a little more?
I have to shut the door separate.
Okay.
These actually still have safety on.
Safety. That's no fun. What are we at? 1,000.
I might be able to get to 1,500.
Okay. Let's go for it.
There's 2,000.
2,000. No problem. Sounds good. No vibrations. Perfect. You can kill it, and I'll just do a little walk around to the machine.
Oh.
That's
You want me to leave that run?
Oh, no, you can kill that spindle. Thank you.